Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Oregano oil is an essential oil rich in carvacrol, commonly sold with 60–80% carvacrol concentration. That chemical gives oregano oil strong antimicrobial properties. For safety, treat oregano oil as a concentrated botanical. Always dilute before skin use or oral intake and never apply undiluted. High-quality products list carvacrol percentage and botanical names. Choose verified suppliers. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, under 18, or taking prescription drugs, consult your healthcare provider before starting oregano oil to avoid interactions or contraindications. To loosen mucus, try steam inhalation. Add 1–2 drops of oregano oil to a bowl of hot water, cover your head with a towel, and inhale steam for 5–10 minutes. Repeat up to twice daily. For topical relief, blend 1–2 drops of oregano oil per teaspoon of carrier oil like olive or coconut and gently massage on the chest and throat area. Avoid broken skin and eyes. For oral use, follow product labeling. Many people take 1 capsule or place 1 drop diluted in 1 teaspoon of carrier oil or honey, but do not swallow neat oil. Use oregano oil methods for short-term mucus management. Generally limit practice to 7–14 days and monitor symptoms closely. If symptoms worsen, you develop a high fever above 101. 3 degrees F, severe shortness of breath, or chest pain, stop using oregano oil and seek medical care immediately. Always perform a 24-hour patch test when applying diluted oil to the skin. Apply a small amount on the inner forearm and watch for redness or irritation. Avoid oregano oil if pregnant, breastfeeding, taking blood thinners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.